Okay, so in here we have Plum Jam cooking. It's about 5 cups of plums, coarsely chopped, 3 cups of sugar, 3/4 cup water. You let it come to a boil slowly, is the preference, and then you continue to stir it until you get to the gelling point. I don't recommend you do more than 1 batch at a time because it will splatter and you will get burned. It will also cook up high. We're not at the gelling point yet, so you want to keep it cooking until you're at the gelling point, but you want to stir it so it doesn't stick. And then when it is at that gelling point, we'll remove it from heat, skim the foam, and then we'll put it in our jars. You want a 1/4 inch headspace, and then it will process in a water bath for 15 minutes. You can't even see because it's all fogged up.